Wag mo na.
Go.
Hi! My name's Jem.
I'm Kate from the Mountain Province of the Philippines.
I'm Aiden from Cavite.
And I'm Anne from Pampanga.
Oh my
And I'm from
god.
Davao.
OMG, this is so new to me. Oh my god.
Unbelievable.
I know, man. It's so hot in here.
I know, right?
OMG,
Have some ice
OMG.
cream.
I want some yellow. How do you call that here? Ice.
No, icy. No, you call them like
Freaking
Starbucks. You know, you go to Starbucks.
Starbucks
and get some-
coffee?
Starbucks coffee.
I want coffee. It's so hot. Oh my
OMG,
god.
there's a lot of shoes here, oh.
Look at that. Oh my god. It's so pretty.
It's so pink in here.
Oh my god.
I don't
that?
know what to
What's that,
say
girl?
now. Look at the cheetah girls.
They look like a chimpanzee.
Oh, I don't know what to say now.
We're just here being bored and
Chillin'. Jem's leaving.
I know, right?
Yeah.
She's
going back to the Philippines. Hi guys.
Aw. Nico Esther. Baby.
Baby.
Aw. She gonna miss her baby.
Hmm.
Hey, boo.
Hey baby.
Aw.
Oh,
Say hi to Nico.
I love you, baby.
That's
OMG.
hard.
OMG. OMG.
Oh,
Are you gonna put up this in MySpace or Friendster?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Ako speak Tagalog din. Kala ko MySpace lang eh.
Hindi.
Lagyan natin sa MySpace na lagi ko. Sa About Me.
Sige.
I guess. I suppose.
You supposed to?
Mm.
Okay.
Init! Oh my gosh! OMG. What? I'm the only person here.
Ano pag-usapan natin dito?
We're like in a store. There's like a lot of persons.
I know.
And there's like a lot of stuff.
We're going to Cashola later.
Yeah, we are. What time is
Wait,
it?
what time?
Yeah, and I haven't done my
It's
homework
like
yet.
almost 7.
And we're
Oh,
camp horse.
Oh my god! Nagpapraning na ako.
Oh my god, it's so hot. Like, for
We're
real.
not gonna wanna put this on.
Look at this.
Yeah.
OMG. It's Gren.
Oh my god.
It's so cute. From what? Kenneth.
Canon.
Kenneth.
Oh, I like that one. Look at that one. See that pink one?
This one?
Yeah.
There's a lot of pink.
It's so pink.
Oh, there's Elmo. Elmo.
Dude,
Almost.
Okay, we got that.
make some interesting video.
Okay, well, I speak French.
Okay, say something in French.
No.
I kind of speak Spanish, but not really.
Say something.
Hola.
See,
This is how you say. This is how. Yeah, I know. Shh, never mind.
Are we boring?
Yeah. Yeah.
We're boring, right?
Cut that off. Cut that off. Cut that off.
Cut! Cut mo na.
Hindi dapat gawa tayo isa. Alam mo yung pinanood ko?
Gusto niyo 5 na lang tayo. Like, magsasalita ng English. Kung paano kung ikaw, English, pagsasalita mo ko na. Itatranslate ko ng English pero in a 5 years, something like that.
Okay.
Inaano mo lang yung mga ano eh.
Hindi mo maganda nga, hindi nakakatawa.
man.
That's so mean.
Like,
Is
you're
it?
making fun of.
Yeah, you're making fun of the
Puppy.
frog.
I'm like that.
But still, you're making fun of yourself.
I want to.
I want to. She want to. She want to.
I want to.
I want to put this on my face.
I want some vinegar.
I want some vinegar.
Gago.
OMG.
Vinegar.
Hello, Inay. I mean, mother.
Mother!
Mother.
Madar.
What was that? Kamusta na kayo dyan? I mean, how are you there from the mountain province?
Are you recording this?
I don't care. And, what else?
Think of it else.
How's Itay? I mean, father. How's father? What? Nahulog siya sa bangin? I mean, she fell down from the bangin? Oh, what? Oh, shit, I forgot. Oh,
Ako naman.